viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly revolutionary to show you, our roll forming machine. So, what exactly is the rolling shutter machine? It's not just a machine, it's a game changer in the world of rolling shutter manufacturing. This sleek apparatus combines speed, precision, and efficiency to create high-quality components with unmatched accuracy. From aerospace to automotive industries, this machine is leaving its mark. In this video, we'll explore how this incredible piece of technology is shaping the future of precision manufacturing. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our innovative content. Now, let's get into the fundamentals of how this machine works. The rolling shutter mechanism ensures a seamless and continuous manufacturing process. As the raw material enters, the machine precisely shapes and forms it, guaranteeing uniformity, and it's like magic happening right before our eyes. The applications of the rolling shutter machine are vast, from intricate aerospace components to robust automotive parts. This machine is the backbone of rolling shutter industry. I think it's not just about making rolling shutters or any other metal sheet material. It's about making them better, faster, and with unparalleled precision. What sets our rolling shutter machine apart? The advantages are plenty. It's not only efficient but also eco-friendly with minimal waste. Plus, continuous innovation in its design and technology ensures that it stays ahead of the curve, meeting the ever-evolving needs of modern manufacturing. And there you have it. The super roll forming shutter machine, redefining precision manufacturing. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment down below on what other innovative technologies you'd like us to explore. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating.